What's up guys, this is Shan Heather and today we got Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 5G smartphone with us. We are going to perform a quick unboxing of its retail box. We will have a look on the device inside, its design, highlighted features, specs and all of the usual unboxing stuff. But before we start, do not forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon as well to get the notification for future uploads. So first of all, let me tell you that the Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 5G and the Poco M3 Pro 5G are exactly same smartphone. The only difference is in terms of the back panel. So if you are interested in knowing about the Xiaomi Poco M3 Pro 5G, then you can also consider this video. Ignore the part where we are talking about the back panel of Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 5G here. So first of all, let's have a look on the retail box. So here on the front side, we can see that we got a huge image showing the back and the front of Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 5G. Here is the product name, the branding. So the device we got inside is the nighttime blue version. It comes with 4GB RAM, 64GB storage. Inside this box you will find the Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 5G, a power adapter, USB Type-C cable, SIM card tray ejector pin, protective case for the back panel, the quick start guide, warranty card and safety information as well. So let's open this box and let's see what we got inside. So here we got the SIM card tray ejector pin, the quick start guide, the safety information and the warranty card along with the silicone case for the back panel. So here is the Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 5G in nighttime blue. And then here we got the USB Type-C cable. One interesting thing here is that even though Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 5G comes with 18-watt fast charging capability, the power adapter we got here comes with 22.5 watt maximum output. So this is kind of a good thing that Xiaomi is providing an even better charger and you can use it with other smartphones as well. So these are the stuff we got inside the retail box. The Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 5G, a 22.5 watt charger, USB Type-C cable, SIM card tray ejector pin, some quick start guide, user manual, warranty card and a silicone case for the back panel. As you can see, there is no earphones provided in the retail box of Redmi Note 10 5G and you will have to use a third-party earphone with your device. Here some of the highlighted hardware specs are mentioned. So Redmi Note 10 5G comes with MediaTek Dimensity 707nm processor. It comes with 6.5-inch Full HD Plus screen with 90Hz refresh rate. We got 48 megapixel triple camera on the back and 5000 mAh battery along with 18 watt fast charging as I have already mentioned. So here is the Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 5G in nighttime blue color. So let's switch on the device and while it's booting up for the very first time, let me tell you about few of the other hardware specs of this device. So it comes with Android 11, we got MIUI 12 on this device. It comes with Mali G57 GPU, we got 4GB RAM, a 6.5-inch 90Hz refresh rate Full HD Plus screen with 83.7% screen to body ratio and the screen is protected by Gorilla Glass 3. So now I'm just going to go through all of these setups and after that we will have a look on the device. And here we go. So this is the home screen of Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 5G. So first of all, let's start with the design. On the front side we got a 6.5-inch screen with 84% screen to body ratio. So we got a bit of bezels on the side, but if you got a dark wallpaper on your device then those bezel gets hidden very well. But as you can see here, we got a bit of bezels on the sides, also at the top and a bit more bezels at the bottom. But considering the price segment under which this device is going to be launched, these bezels are still quite justified. We got a punch hole in the middle of the screen that's a bit big, but once again if you use a dark wallpaper then it is very hard to locate where exactly is the front facing camera on this device. So this is a very smart move by Xiaomi to use a dark wallpaper on this device here. Right above the camera we got the earpiece, at the bottom we got the speaker grill, USB Type-C port, the primary microphone, at the top we got the 3.5mm audio jack, the IR blaster and the secondary microphone. Both top and the bottom are quite flatter compared to rest of the body of Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 5G. On the right hand side, we got the volume rockets, power key along with the fingerprint sensor embedded in it, and on the left hand side we got the SIM card slot. This is a dual SIM smartphone and the SIM 2 slot can be used for the memory card as well. The position of the power key and the fingerprint sensor is very nice and it is easily accessible to the thumb while holding the device. On the back side, we got the triple rear camera setup and the matte finished plastic back panel that reflects light in a very nice way, but it kind of reminds me of the paint job on Realme 8 and the Realme 7 that I got here. But no doubt the one we got on Redmi Note 10 5G is very gorgeous and beautiful. Camera module is also quite beautiful and Xiaomi did a very nice and clever thing here as well. If you have a look on the LED flash, you can see that it looks like we got dual LED or dual tone LED, but actually we got just one LED, another one is just for the show off. So once again, even though this device is not a premium smartphone, Xiaomi is some nice detailing and aesthetics to make it look premium. But as you can see that the back panel of Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 5G is attracting lots of fingerprint and smudges. We started using this device just few minutes back and we already got lots of fingerprint and smudges on this part. But the good part is that you can easily wipe it, or if you are going to use the provided case, so there will be no fingerprint at all on the back panel. And there is one more ambient light sensor along with the one we got on the front side, and that's why Xiaomi mentioned here that we got a 360-degree ambient light sensor on this device. Also, the camera bump on the back panel is very small, and once you put the case on it, it will be pretty flat and you won't feel any wobbling issue while putting it on a flat surface. Talking about the build quality, the screen is protected by Gorilla Glass 3 and it also comes with a screen protector pre-applied. So this is kind of nice that we are getting dual protection on the screen. The back panel is made of plastic as I have already mentioned, and so is the frame. And even though the screen size is quite big and we got a huge 5000 mAh battery, the device is pretty lightweight. It weighs just 190 grams, and because of good screen to body ratio, it is very easy to use it with one hand. So overall, in terms of design and build quality, Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 5G is a very nice smartphone, especially if we consider the price segment under which it is launched. And the only thing I'm missing here is that there is no IP protection on Redmi Note 10 5G, but once again, considering the price segment, it is not a big deal, but still any kind of IP certification would be a nice inclusion for sure. Talking about the display, we got a 6.5-inch Full HD plus 90Hz IPS LCD display with 84% screen to body ratio. So the PPI you are going to get is 405 and the display is very sharp as you can see here. Even if I bring the screen so close to the camera lens, you can see there is no pixelation. The viewing angles are very nice and the touch screen sensitivity is good as well. It comes with 400 nits brightness and the maximum brightness can go as high as 500 nits. And as you can see that it's good enough for daily usage. I will see how nice the viewing experience is going to be when I go out in the bright sunlight and use this device. But right now it's looking good enough to be used indoor and outdoors both. You can select between the 90Hz refresh rate or the 60Hz for the display of Redmi Note 10 5G, and the 90Hz refresh rate option is an adaptive one. So based on the content that you are watching on the screen, it will change from 30Hz to 90Hz. If I select the 90Hz here, you can see the smoothness is getting even better. So it's quite nice for sure. Talking about the software side, we got Android 11 and MIUI 12 on Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 5G. So on the home screen you will find a set of Google application. In the Google folder we got MIUI's Music, Gallery, Security, Cleaner, File Manager. Under the Tools folder you will find some nice and helpful productivity related applications. It comes pre-installed with Netflix. We got a Games folder, and in the More apps you will find some social media applications and tools as well. If we go to the settings, here you can see we got lots of options that you can use on Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 5G. I will talk about them in our another videos, but right now I just want to give you an idea that how much features and options we got on Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 5G running on Android 11 and MIUI 12. If you go to the About Phone section, here you will get more information that the device is running on MIUI 12. You got 64GB storage out of 16.5 is occupied already. So you will get around 47GB free on this device. So it is advisable to use a memory card on Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 5G, and that's why it would be even better if there was a dedicated microSD card slot instead of a hybrid one. Now talking about the camera, we got an 8 megapixel front camera that is capable of recording 1080p resolution videos at 30 fps. On the back we got triple rear camera setup in which you will find 48 megapixel primary camera with face detection, autofocus, 2MP macro lens and 2MP depth sensor. So the camera setup we got here is quite basic and pretty average in this price segment. If you launch the camera application, this is the user interface that you will find. So you can see that we got the photo, video, there is pro mode, there is portrait mode. If you go to more, here you will find the night mode, 48 megapixel mode, the short video, panorama, slow motion, time lapse, and you can even change the positioning of these modes and options provided. Here you can see that it comes with AI capability. HDR is available for imaging, and here you will get more options that you can use for taking pictures and videos. So we got a dedicated macro mode as well. If you go to the video mode, here you can see that we got the movie frame, we got the macro lens available for video recording as well. But as you can see that we got just 2 resolution and frame rate options. So the device can record full HD resolution videos and HD resolution videos at just 30 fps. So there is no 4K video recording and there is no 60 fps video recording as well. In the Pro mode, you get the option to manually control the ISO, shutter speed, white balance, etc. to get the perfect picture the way you want. But let's take few pictures using the photo mode with AI camera disabled, because by default it is disabled HDR as well. So I'm just going to take some picture of this retail box here and let's see how well it's going to be. So these are the pictures that I have just captured and these are looking quite nice. Lots of detail and the color reproduction is very accurate. Once again, lots of detail as you can see here. So this is quite nice, looking a bit better than what I was expecting from the camera performance of this device. But these are just some quick capture. We will see in the detailed camera review of Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 5G that how good it's going to be in different lighting conditions, different shooting scenarios, where we will check all of these camera modes as well. But the first impression is that camera is looking quite capable. But if you're talking about the video recording, as you can see, it is pretty limited when it comes to frame rate or the resolution. Overall, Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 5G is looking a very nice entry-level smartphone in nearly every aspect, especially if you're planning to buy a 5G smartphone without spending much money. The Dimensity 700 we got on this device is the most low-end MediaTek 5G capable chipset we got, and considering the price of the device, it's quite okay. The screen is big, beautiful, it comes with 90Hz refresh rate. The MIUI 12 is very feature-rich and comes with lots of options. The design and build quality is nice and the back panel of Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 5G is very beautiful. So that's all for now friends, thanks for watching this video. Many more videos of Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 5G like the gaming review, camera review, benchmarking performance, comparison with other smartphones are going to be uploaded very soon on this channel. So do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification when those videos are live. And if you enjoyed watching this one, then do not forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.